The perfect Christmas gift that keeps giving. Eufy Security up to $800 off. Grab yours in the link below.
So now I have one of them out here on my railing, and you can see it has two different views, actually three, right, cameras, and it's going to track me automatically. So if I run away, you know, it will also zoom and track me to find where I'm at, so it gets good visuals of me. And then as I get in frame of other cameras, it will then, the other cameras will pick me up and it will track me. So
hey everyone, this is Nate and this is the Nader Tater channel. Today I'm going to go over some of these differences that Eufy has come out with on security cameras. They have some really cool new ones, but I have to be a little honest that they have a wide range of them and it can be quite confusing with what are the differences between them. So I've done many videos on these cameras in the past, and yes, Eufy has sent me most of my Eufy cams. I've also purchased some of them as well, but I want to go through some of the things that they've done recently. So some of the ones I've had in the past, like this one is a Eufy S3 Pro. So it's a Eufy Cam S3 Pro, and this one is designed to be battery powered, Wi-Fi. It has a built-in solar charging capability there. It's got some nice features to it, but it is a single camera, and this is, you know, a obviously doesn't rotate, pan, tilt in there. But then they have these other ones like this one, which is also battery powered and does have the ability to add solar. You can either bolt the solar directly to it like this, or this solar panel can be off, mounted somewhere else with a cable running to it. But this one has auto tracking and pan and tilting, as well as two lenses here. So one's a 3x optical, and then it can do some digital zoom as well. So this one offers that pan and tilting. The downside to these that I found is there's times that maybe you have multiple subjects that you want to track or you want to see, or you have a time where you always want to be looking, let's say, at the front of your house, but you want this to be able to rotate and follow someone going up to your front door. But when it does that, obviously it's no longer looking out at the front of the house to see what's going on. So what they have done is they basically added these two cameras together into this camera here. So this one here is the PoE Cam S4. Now the PoE stands for Power over Ethernet. So this one does not have Wi-Fi. It is designed to be plugged in with Ethernet, and that goes to a NVR, or a network video recorder. Now they also have this S4 camera that's non-PoE, so it's Wi-Fi based, and it is battery powered with a solar add-on as well, sort of like this one is. But it still has all these really cool features, which is it has a stationary lens that does tilt up or down just so you can get the right view. But then on the bottom of it, it has the very similar camera setup to this one here, where it is two lenses. You have lights, you have PIR detection, and then it of course rotates and tilts around for you. So this is really cool because this one you can mount either like underneath like an eave or whatnot, or you can mount it on a wall. This is a universal mount here, and then you can rotate this left and right, and then you can tilt this guy up and down and get your field of view just like you would with a single camera here. But then you also get the pan and tilt and zoom one combined. So it's really cool. It's got microphones, it's got sound speakers. All of these cameras have SD card, so you can put local storage on the cameras themselves, or they work with their different systems here. So these systems are designed to work with like a HomeBase. This is a Eufy S380, so HomeBase 3. This one is designed, it does have Wi-Fi, but it is better to have Ethernet going into like your home Wi-Fi router or network switch. And then it has a built-in hard drive. Well, you can buy it with a hard drive or without a hard drive, and you can put your own hard drive into it. It can have up to a 16 terabyte hard drive, and that allows you to have all your storage locally onto here. The other thing that all these cameras do is they have AI detection capability, so they can detect cars, people, pets, and then when you combine it with a HomeBase, it has even additional local AI capability. You can have things like facial detection, and it can do other things like multi-camera tracking. So if you have this on the front of the house, this on the side of the house, and this on the back of the house, it can tell that it's the same person that walked from the front to the side of the back, and then it's going to give you a summary that shows, hey, at 3 o'clock, this person went from here to here to here, and here you can quickly and easily see that. You don't have to go to each camera and look at each event separately. It combines it all together for you. The PoE camera is designed to go into this NVR, so this is their first NVR system, and it has multiple ports here in the back. So it has 8 PoE ports, so you can buy this as like a kit, and it can come with like 4 cameras, and you can add 4 additional cameras. This one has HDMI capability, so you can have a TV or monitor above it, so you can watch all of them live continuously. And then as well as it has some USB features, and of course it has a hard drive built into it, so that it can store it all locally here for you. So you do have to look at all of the specs and features and see what camera you have. This is only a couple of their cameras. They have dozens of different types that I really do think hit all of the different needs of customers. And the good thing to know is that all this stuff blends together in their app seamlessly. So I think I have like 50, quite frankly, cameras on my Eufy app. Only about 25 or 30 of them I actually have installed and working. The rest of them are down here because I don't even have a place to put them. But I have everything from indoor, cheap stationary cameras, to their expensive PoE ones set up with NVR. And it all works together in their Eufy app, as well as I have things like a Eufy door lock that works into here. I have everything like, you even have Eufy Clean, so you can get the vacuum cleaners, that kind of stuff, and all that stuff will work in the same ecosystem. Alright, so here I am in the Eufy Security app. Now, a lot of these cameras are turned off, as I said before, but this back deck one is actually this camera right here. Alright, so here's the camera looking at me, and now if I change it to the 3x, it's obviously going to zoom in. It's going to use the different lens, so it's going to, it lost a little bit of focus there because I'm too close to it. But that 3x zoom is going to give you that same optical quality because it's not degrading the pixel size, because it's using optical instead of digital zoom. And let's see, I can click on a light here just to see it is bright. If I look at the different settings, you can see here you have all types of settings for motion detection, sensitivity, areas that you're going to do motion detect, battery optimization. Obviously, if you're on battery power, you want to conserve it, but that solar panel, I believe it's like 5.5 watts of power that it can charge it, so it's only about 1 hour of sunlight needed to keep that fully charged all the time. So it's pretty efficient basically at it. You have obviously different settings, spotlight versus infrared at nighttime. You have streaming quality, recording quality. This specific one does 3K, but depending on which one it is, it might be a 4K, 3K, or 2K resolution camera. You have to look at those specs for each one. And then night vision, we talked about privacy zones, so if you want to block out something, you can do that. Lots of customized settings here. Like I said, the audio, it does have a microphone. You can tell it if you want it to record audio or not, as well as the two-way communication where it has a speaker so you can talk to people. And then, of course, you can set up different notifications styles. Do you want just text? Do you want a thumbnail picture with it? And so those are all the types of settings that you can set up with this. Now here on the app, you can see I have lots of different cameras set up here on the inside. Hopefully I've answered a lot of questions. If you have some other questions that you want me to answer in regards to the Eufy setup, please do put them down in the comments below. And then also consider hitting that like button on the video and subscribing to my channel if you want to see more stuff like this. I appreciate everyone tuning in and watching, and we'll catch you next time. And cut.